we got a little twist today. Silver, because I'm a truanter. Guys, I'm so happy. It's a bit concerning. Full-on obsession. I'm so sorry. I'm not gatekeeping. It's actually kind of good, but like I'm confused half the time. I'm just gonna go to sleep, to be honest. Hello, good morning. I feel like this morning energy drink is getting a little bit out of hand. I just don't know. I think I'm not even addicted to the caffeine. I feel like it's just the act of drinking like a cold fizzy thing before my workout in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't technically have to be caffeine. I think it's just like my mind wants, can I put this here? My mind just wants something cold and like carbonated in the morning, which is really weird because I hate carbonated drinks, but maybe I've just conditioned myself to drink it because I've been doing this for so long and I really should stop. But anyway, it's Sunday today. Today we're gonna have another productive day today. First we're gonna go do my workout. Yes, queen. I'm gonna do some leg Pilates today, maybe an ab workout. Yeah, so that's the vibe. Toodles.
Night, I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and cold days, living in the shadows gray. I guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies.
Hello, good morning. It's breakfast time. Okay, so today we've got my little yogurt bowl as usual, but we got a little twist today, okay? So I put Greek yogurt, I made coconut cream chia pudding, which is phenomenal by the way. And then I added this protein powder. It's apparently supposed to be like very little ingredients, good for you, healthy, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, I just added it because obviously we need to add a little bit more protein to the meal. But yeah, and then I added wild blueberries, raspberries, and sliced almonds. And yeah, this is my cutie little bowl and she's gorgeous. I really hope the protein powder does not affect the flavor. Because you know sometimes like protein powder kind of tastes funky. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. The protein powder has like a coconutty flavor too. I like this. Okay. By the way, I got this in the mail yesterday, and it's like a sizer for the ring, which is basically, this is the ring sizing kit, and there's a whole bunch of rings here, and then you try them on and size them on your hands to figure out which size fits best. So I've been like currently wearing it to try to figure out what size I should get. I think I'm like in between 6 or 7, but sometimes the 6, it's too tight, but then the 7 is too loose on all the other fingers, so I really don't know. They also sent over this thing, and this is basically just to like show you kind of like the color options. And I think I'm gonna go with the silver because I'm a truanter, and silver, oh, and silver looks best on me. So, but yeah, I like love fitness trackers and like everything fitness and health and wellness, so I feel like I'd really like it. But yeah, today's plan, I think I'm gonna start editing my videos, and then I'm going to do some work today. I really should do some laundry and get all those housekeeping things squared away. So I'm going to finish up my breakfast, and then we can get started on the day. Hi, it's currently 1:30 and I'm about to start packing because I'm going to LA soon. Again. Yeah, I'm going with Jonavi and we're going for a few days. We're gonna go to Disneyland. We're just gonna be frolicking around the city and it'll be super fun. But I did want to show you guys all of the tech gear that I'm bringing. I know a lot of you guys are very interested in my equipment, so I feel like this is just a good time to introduce the sponsor of today's video. Amazing! I'm super excited to partner with Best Buy to show you guys all of the cool gadgets that I have. These are just my holy grails. I love them so much. They're amazing. I really love this setup because when I'm traveling, I want to make sure that everything is very compact and portable. So I wanted to show you guys my camera, and you guys already know I use this camera all the time, but it's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I have the creator combo, so it comes in this pouch. Ta-da! So here's the little camera girly. Do you see how tiny this is? It's literally the size of my hand. Look at that. Anyway, you open her up. She is so cute. And then when you turn it on, you just flip the screen and then it turns on. You press this button and she turns around and she's like, hey. The stabilization is crazy, guys. It's 3-axis mechanical stabilization. It's like a little robot. I love it. It's literally pocket size. The battery lasts me all day, and if needed, it charges through USB-C. It's perfect. So anyway, this is my little girl. I take her traveling. I use this to vlog literally everything. I just put her back in here and just chuck her in my bag. On to the next. Here we have the Samsung Pro Ultimate SD card. There have been many times where my camera runs out of storage, and you know how that goes. So having this is so easy because it's so tiny, and I literally just plug this into my laptop and it transfers so fast. The read and write speeds are 200, 130 megabytes per second. Yeah, it doesn't take 10 years to transfer all of my footage, which is my pet peeve because who's got time for that? On to the audio. I've been using this new mic, and guys, I don't know where this has been my entire life, but it's literally amazing. First of all, this is the case and it charges in the back here. You just open her up and here's the mics and the transmitters. This is what she looks like. It's so sleek, but like, let's not talk about how cute it is. Let's talk about the audio. The audio is insane. I love using this for recording my TikToks and my YouTube video voiceovers. Like, it's just so good for voiceovers. It has a storage of 40 hours of 32-bit flow recording, which is amazing. I've been saying amazing so many times, but it's true, guys. 32-bit float recording with intelligent gain assist technology. If you guys don't know what that means that I could literally scream into the mic and the audio won't blow out. Like, it won't go like bass boosted. It works really well with my phone, my camera, and my computer. So we love the compatibility. The last thing that I use are these Bose earbuds. Oh my god. This is super cool. Okay, first of all, look at the color.
This is a limited edition color, by the way.
It's called Lunar Blue. We love a navy blue because I'm a truanter. So you put this guy on the outside of your ear and you wrap it around in the back so it doesn't even go inside your ear canal. When I use my other earbuds, when it's inside my ear, it literally gets sore after like a few hours. But these all day, amazing, and it sounds so good. It's really good for like when you want to hear outside noise, but not like super loud. I think it's really cute and I love it, and the sound quality is amazing. And of course the color is so gorgeous. We love her. Anyway, I'm gonna go pack my bag with all of my things and that'll kickstart my packing for the trip. Guys, I'm so happy. I made myself like, I don't know, I've been seeing these things on TikTok. They're called like snack plates. Okay, it's not like from TikTok, but you get what I'm saying. Like I found it on TikTok. But anyway, I'm not trying to say that TikTok created snack plates. Okay, anyways, I made a snack. End of story, okay? We got some cherry tomatoes. I'm back in my tomato phase, guys. It's a bit concerning, but the fact that I know that the tomato phase is coming, it'll keep me prepared when the full-on obsession begins. We got some jumbo blueberries, and guys, these are actually jumbo. Literally huge. They're bigger than my eyeball. But they're so good. I love them so much. And then we've got my nuts, of course, that I've been eating. Let me show you. There's almonds, dates, 2 Brazil nuts, and I made like a gluten-free cookie yesterday. Kind of like fabulous. Like I made them and they turned out really well. I'm just having a little bite because I don't want too much sugar right now. And then of course, a little string cheese. So I'm gonna eat this little snack while I wait for my laundry because guess what? My laundry's in the washing machine. So very productive of me, I know. So yeah. Just eating my snacks. Having a wonderful Sunday. I was gonna edit, but I'm kind of feeling lazy, so I might not. We'll just procrastinate and save it for tomorrow, maybe? I don't know. You want some? Yeah, no. You don't get any, little rascal. Also, guys, I've been watching this show called The White Lotus. Johnny recommended it to me like years ago. It's actually kind of good, but like I'm confused half the time and I'm like scared. It's like ominous, but also like funny and satirical at the same time. And like, I don't know how to feel, but I like watching it. Boo. Hi. I just wanted to show you guys the rings that I'm bringing on my trip. Just because I got a whole bunch of new rings and I realized that I didn't tell you guys. I'm so sorry. Anyway, well, first of all, let's start with the earrings. I got these earrings. They're just like silver little blobs. Look, they're really cute. A little chunky vibe. I think they're so cute. Okay, anyway, so that's that. And then, of course, I have like so many rings. All of these I got off of vintage store online. So like, you can't really buy these, unfortunately. And I'm sorry, like I'm not gatekeeping. There's just no brand. Like I'm pretty sure some random silversmiths just made this in their garage. Anyway, so this is the first pair. It's like a dome, a silver dome, but it's not a perfect dome, which I like. Very organic vibes. You know what I'm saying? Yes. And then I have another one. This is a normal dome and this one's like a very dome. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a perfect dome. Okay. And then we have, this is another one I got. There's like circles. I think this is so cool. It kind of reminds me of Art Deco style. It's super cool. I love it. Here's another one. I'm running out of fingers. This is another one I got right here. It has clover. I don't even know. Is that a clover? There's just like balls. I just love how cool it looks. Like I don't even know what it is. It's really cool. And then this one I got from Texas. Silver chunky. And then this is my favorite, the last one. And it's so cute. It's so cool. Look how organic shape vibes it is. As you can tell, I am so good at explaining and describing these. Anyway, I like to put out my middle finger just because I think it looks cool. But yeah, these are the rings that I'm bringing. And I'm just like in my silver chunky era right now, as you can tell. I just finished dinner / dessert and I finished packing. It's pretty much it for today. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I don't really have much going on for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna go to sleep, to be honest. I had a nice day today. It was chill. I ate, did some laundry, I watched some White Lotus. It was a good day. There was some work that I didn't do, but it's okay. I'll just do that tomorrow. I gotta be more nice to myself, you know? I feel like I try really hard to push myself, and like when I don't meet the expectations that I set for myself or I imagined for myself, I beat myself up about it. Not physically, obviously. I just like feel like a failure, you know what I mean? But I need to remind myself that like it's chill, girl, like it's fine. You have time. Don't stress yourself out, because if you stress yourself out, then you're not gonna be able to do any of the work. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys had an amazing day, or I hope you guys have an amazing day depending on what time you're watching this, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little more chill, like not really much happened today, but I love you so much as always, and I will see you next week. Yes ma'am. All right, have a good night. Peace. Goodbye.